With the new release of Captioneer, we collaborated with type designer and animator Mat Voyce to create 4 brand new MOGRTs: Arch, Comic, Slant, and Slide. These MOGRTs are free for all Captioneer users. I'll select Arch and add it to the timeline.
Next, meet Captioneer. It's a Premiere plugin that makes subtitles sexy again. It's built using MOGRT-based templates that'll make your social media posts pop even on mute.
If I select the Arch subtitles, we can see the MOGRT controls inside the Properties panel. We have all of the basic controls, like characters per line, position, scale, font, paragraph, and color. But it also has a few new controls, like a long shadow, bounce controls, and warp. Next, let's look at the comic subtitles.
Next, meet Captioneer. It's a Premiere plugin that makes subtitles sexy again.
This is a bouncy style, perfect for comedy clips, and it lets us pick 2 colors for the font. It also has long shadow and bounce controls. Let's check out the slant subtitles.
Next, meet Captioneer. It's a Premiere plugin that makes subtitles sexy again.
This is a sharp text box with gradient text, and we can change those gradient fill colors. We can edit all of the box controls, or turn on and off these stars. It looks best with short, snappy phrases of 2 to 3 words per line, so this text box doesn't get too long. Let's check out the slide subtitles. This one looks great no matter what.
Next, meet Captioneer. It's a Premiere plugin that makes subtitles sexy again.
We can change the background colors. I'll pick a blue and then a lighter blue, and then I'll copy and paste that change to all the rest of the MOGRTs using the copy-paste buttons in Captioneer.
Next, meet Captioneer. It's a Premiere plugin that makes subtitles sexy again. It's built using MOGRT-based templates that'll make your social media posts pop even on mute.
These 4 new MOGRTs will automatically download for everyone using Captioneer. Head over to captioneer.com and try it for yourself today.